Hi, the river outside your city, the one you grew up hearing stories about, is running at less than 20% of its natural oxygen level. Fish cannot survive below 5 milligrams per liter dissolved oxygen. Most Indian urban rivers sit at 1 to 2 milligrams per liter. That is not a river anymore. That is a slow drain. But here, Method 1. Let nature's tiny cleanup crew do the work. Bioremediation. Believe it or not, some bacteria are actually helpful. Certain naturally occurring bacteria can feed on organic waste, sewage, ammonia, and even some pollutants. Think of them as millions of microscopic cleaners working 24 hours a day. Instead of using expensive chemicals or heavy machinery, these bacteria help break down harmful substances and improve water quality naturally. Method 2. Plant trees and grasses along riverbanks. A healthy river doesn't only need clean water, it also needs healthy riverbanks. Plants such as vetiver grass, Arjun trees, and neem trees act like natural filters. When rainwater washes soil, fertilizers, and pollutants from nearby farms, these plants help trap much of the pollution before it reaches the river. Their roots also prevent soil erosion and keep riverbanks stable. A restoration project on Tamil Nadu's Noyal River, restoring natural bends and curves, the river slows down, creates pools and shallow areas, and provides better habitats for aquatic life. Yamuna River. Method 4. Stop sewage before it reaches the river. This is probably the most important step of all. No river can recover if untreated sewage keeps flowing into it every day. Sewage treatment plants, or STPs, are designed to clean wastewater before it enters rivers. India has more than 1,000 sewage treatment plants with the capacity to treat millions of liters of wastewater daily. Or operational challenges. Experts agree on one thing. If sewage continues entering the river, restoration efforts will only provide temporary improvements. Clean the sewage first, and the river has a chance to recover. Method 5. Make sure the river has enough water. A river needs water to stay alive. What you can do, water quality actions, viewer action specific, concrete steps you can take this week. Not awareness. Action. Use the Samir app or email, CPCB, photograph discharge or foaming river. Attach GPS submit. Goes directly to your state pollution control board. Discharge complaints must be acknowledged within 30 days. File an RTI ask. How many STPs in our district are functional at what capacity? Free at mandatory 30-day response. Non-response is a violation. Test and publish water data pH plus dissolved oxygen test kit, 200 to 500 rupees. Test monthly. Share results on social media with GPS and date. CPCB monitors quarterly.